Jamaica. As a matter of fact, 50% of Jamaican gonna die from medical attention in Jamaica. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
This is it. It's showtime. One last moment of drama tonight.
If you got money, if you got money. My sister-in-law come from England, you see, and to do a surgery. And they want $500,000 to do it. And she just go back to England with her card and get that done for free.
For free?
What do you mean for free?
$500,000 Jamaican.
What do you mean? Then what do you think you use? What do you think you go a doctor with a foreign? Or something like this, you know. And you go a doctor, this you show, you know. Yeah. All right. How much people in Jamaica? As a matter of fact, 50% of Jamaican gonna die from medical attention in Jamaica. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. Why? Why? You go to the doctor, he want all $8,000 just to chat to him. Plus you have to go buy medication. You get that done a foreign for free. No, you know, pay for them or something foreign. So a lot of people will return from foreign. They will come here for visit, but they're not living here. Because of that, one of the main reasons is that medical. You go to a hospital a man from bench all 2 days, about say no see him there 2 days no see doctor. Then something that can happen anywhere else but in Jamaica. They are big man.
Jamaica is a prison.
Yeah man, you big prison with an open gate. You there Jamaica and a drive and they make a fire truck. Emergency vehicle come in and them are drive in front of it, so if you get your license legit, the book tell you that when you hear an emergency vehicle come, pull over and stop. Anywhere they stop there, make him get round you. Because if him lick you, don't have nothing to get in a big man. If a police have him siren on, or an ambulance have him siren, or a fire truck have him ambulance, and come in and you in the way, he can lick you out of that, you know. Lick you away. And you have nothing to get. So you have to do that. You see man there at Jamaica driving, the emergency vehicle come and then in front of it drive. So you have to pull over and stop, big man. I true enough boy and buy license them have. If you study the book tell you that. Anyway you there, stop there. You stop right there, so. Stop right where you're there. The fire truck will get round you, make haste round you. But if you drive in front of him and him lick you, you have nothing to get. From him once him siren on, you can't win. It's like them are going with you. If you go to court with them, you going to win. You sell your sword and you know to sell there. So you're going to win. You can't win. Yeah man, it's terrible man. It's terrible big man. I tell you that. Believe me big man. Trust me. Believe me. Now as I tell you, a lot of return residents will come up for visit. When we left Canada, a 99 cents a pound for oxtail. When it depends on seal, I went up and seal $1.49. And if you buy a $900 a pound for oxtail yourself. You see the difference? When we left Canada, 59 cents a pound for chicken. 59 cents a pound. For real.
Most of them come to their first country.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true. But coat tail for yourself for them the price. How much that means say you the small man will never eat piece of oxtail. Coat and a pure bone. A pure bone in it. Oxtail is pure bone. $900 a pound for oxtail. Mad man. Big man, you're so funny. You're so funny, may I tell you that. Funny. Yeah, man. And we don't have no discipline in our boss. We don't have any discipline.
Yeah, unruly freedom.
Exactly. And anyway you go. Alright. I just lately them a farm up the bus to go in a bus. And if them go foreign as the bus will come, Jamaican, everybody line up. Same Jamaican, but yet they don't line up for the bus in them country. But them have to.
But them follow the rules.
Yeah, but they have to. From Deso to Deso, you have 20 garbage cans. Where's the soda? Bless you. You know see? So that's how the thing go. A guy see the bus a come to Jamaica and him not line up to go in there. But if him there foreign, him line up to go in there, how come? And not the same Jamaican. What? We just in discipline.
Unruly freedom.
Yeah, we do. We does. And you know something? You know, so if you line up for going at the bus, you're going much faster.
Correctly.
Because 3 persons want to go through the bus door one time and only one of you can go through that at a time. If you line up, the bus come and stop and you line up. From you have your money in your hand or have your bus card, boom, you're gone, boom, you're gone, boom, you're gone. But when 3 of you are trying to go through the doors, how that go work? You hold up who there behind you. And them go foreign and them line up to go to the bus. So me tell you that. But Jamaica them don't line up and how it goes. And the same people then. So you see the difference? Yeah.